Okay, this is quite a workout right here. This is where you pump the air bed. It's manually, but it's not those electric pumpers. So you pretty much have to, use your strength with hand. It took probably about 20 minutes, I want to say. So now the air bed is ready to go. And we have the blanket. I'm on the sleeping bag. And this one is a pillow, comes with it. There's 2 pillows. This is for 2 person. So now I'm gonna put the top on. I thought this was easy, but first try, it took me an hour and 10 minutes to put this together. So voila, now it's done. Actually comfortable, very comfortable. Okay, my challenge is done. To put this together, it took me about an hour and 15 minutes. Yes, I did it. Now it's time to take it apart and put it back in the box. Wish me luck.